6 Epsom salt mistakes you need to avoid. Epsom salt is one of the most trusted home remedies out there. But what if you've been using it wrong this whole time? Whether you're adding it to a bath, a foot soak, or even considering taking it internally, it's important to know what not to do with Epsom salt. From skin irritation to risky combinations and medical red flags, these common mistakes are hiding in plain sight, and chances are you've made at least one of them. So let's talk about a few things that could be quietly undoing all those soothing benefits. Trust me, whether you're new to Epsom salt or a seasoned self-care pro, this is stuff you need to know. Number 1. Using too much of it. When it comes to adding Epsom salt to your soak, more isn't always better. It's easy to assume that an extra handful or two will only boost the benefits. But what you're really doing is turning your soothing soak into a potential skin irritant. Too much Epsom salt in the water can cause redness, itchiness, or a burning sensation, especially if you have sensitive skin or small cuts you didn't even know were there. The sweet spot? Add 1 to 2 cups to a full tub of warm water, or about 1/4 to half a cup to a basin of warm water. That's enough to get the muscle-soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits without overwhelming your skin. If you're new to Epsom salt, or if you tend to get a reaction to bath products, start with even less and see how your body responds. Number 2. Mixing it with the wrong ingredients. People love to get creative with their soaks, but some combinations just don't belong together. Mixing Epsom salt with harsh ingredients, like vinegar or bleach, can irritate your skin, strip its protective barrier, or worse, cause chemical burns. Even natural-sounding add-ins like citrus juices and essential oils can be too harsh, especially when your skin's already soft and absorbent from warm water. If you want to level up your bath or foot soak, go for gentle additions like dried lavender, oatmeal, or chamomile. Keep it simple, safe, and skin-friendly. Your body is soaking in all of it. Number 3. Using it too frequently. There's a fine line between a relaxing ritual and overdoing it. Epsom salt baths feel amazing, even more so when you're sore, stressed, or just need a moment to breathe. But soaking in it every single day? That's a mistake. Overuse can dry out your skin, irritate it, or in some cases, lead to magnesium absorption issues, particularly in people who are sensitive to it. The general recommendation is 2 to 3 times a week, max. And always listen to your body. If you start feeling lightheaded, weak, or notice that your skin feels tight and flaky, take a step back. Your bath should be helping you feel better, not causing new problems. Number 4. Skipping post-soak care. This is the step almost everyone skips, and it's a big one. Epsom salt naturally draws moisture from your body. That's great for reducing swelling, but not so great for your skin if you don't replenish that moisture afterward. When you hop out of the tub and just dry off with a towel, you're leaving your skin high and dry, literally. Instead, gently pat your skin dry, and then moisturize right away while your skin's still slightly damp. This locks in hydration and keeps your skin soft, smooth, and healthy. For foot soaks, throw on a pair of cozy cotton socks afterward to seal everything in. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in how your skin feels hours later. Number 5. Using it without knowing if it's right for you. Perhaps the most commonly overlooked mistake is using Epsom salt without knowing if your body can handle it. Epsom salt might be natural, but that doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. If you have kidney disease, your body may not be able to flush out extra magnesium, which can lead to toxic levels building up in your system. That's serious. If you have heart conditions, even slight changes in blood magnesium can affect your heart rhythm or blood pressure. And for people with diabetes, specifically those with neuropathy or poor circulation in the feet, Epsom salt soaks can be risky. You might not feel if the water's too hot, and soaking cracked or damaged skin can lead to infections that are harder to heal. Bottom line, If you have any chronic health issues, check with your doctor before hopping into that salt soak. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Number 6. Using non-food grade Epsom salt for internal use. Now, here's where things get a little dicey. Some people take Epsom salt internally, usually as a laxative. If you're going to do that, it has to be the right kind. Not all Epsom salts are created equal. There's USP grade, which stands for pharmaceutical or food grade. And then there's the stuff meant for gardening, cleaning, or even industrial use. Guess which one you should be putting in your body? Exactly. If it's not clearly marked USP or food grade, do not take it internally. Industrial grade salts might contain impurities, contaminants, or additives that are not safe for consumption. When in doubt, keep Epsom salt external. There you have it. 6 Epsom salt mistakes that way too many people are making without even realizing it. And look, I'm not here to scare you off from using Epsom salt. It is a powerful, simple, and affordable tool for self-care. But like anything, it works best when you use it mindfully. If you've been using it for years and never noticed any issues, that's awesome. But if you're new to it, or just want to make sure you're doing it right, keep these tips in your back pocket. You'll get all the benefits and none of the side effects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and leave a comment with your thoughts. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips, hacks, and how-tos. And if you know someone who could use a better, safer soak, share this video with them.